welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Please, if you are new to this channel and you are here to subscribe, kindly touch on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to enable you get a notification once I upload new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to be making a scrunchie headband, and I'll make use of this fabric. This is mercury. I'm going to cut out 26 inches length. I've done my market already, so I'll make use of 26 inches length, and the width will be 5 inches. I'll make use of 5 inches width, so I will measure out 5 inches here. Mark it out with my ruler. I'll cut this out. This is it. 26 inches length and 5 inches width. So after cutting this out, fold it into two like this. So I'm going to stitch this starting from 1 inch. So I'm going to leave 1 inch at this edge, and also 1 inch at this edge. This 1 inch is what I will turn it with. So I'm going to start from this 1 inch, stitch it to this 1 inch. So I'm going to start from this 1 inch, fold it into two, and also stitch it to this 1 inch. I'm not going to stitch here, so I will use this place to turn it. So I will go ahead and do that now. The 5 inches width I cut is together with seam allowance, so I didn't add any other seam allowance to this. So I will turn this to the right side. Turn it to the right side. is it. So this 1 inch that I left open here and here, I'm going to get the two sides. Place it the right side towards the right side. So I'm going to get the two sides, the right side facing towards the right side. Stitch it with 1/2 inch. This is it. This is the 1 inch that I left open on both sides. So I'll place this on each other, the right side towards the right side. So I will stitch with 1/2 inch. This is it. I'll stitch it together. So I'll turn it inside. So this is where my elastic will pass. So I'll make use of this elastic. And the length of the elastic that I'm using is 7 inches. So this elastic is 7 inches length. Fix it with safety pin. Then insert it from this 1 inch that I left here. Yeah. Do the wrong place. Use my safety pin to hold this while pulling inside. Like this, I will go to my machine and stitch this elastic. This is it. I'll stitch it. I'll pull it inside. So this 1 inch that I left open here, I'll still go to my machine and stitch it up. I'll top stitch it like this. So this is it. I've top stitched it. This is it, your hairband. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video.